friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious chili oil salsa full of nuts and very little oil that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, preparing 2 cups of garlic cloves, 2 cups of extra virgin olive oil. I love starting with this first because we are going to cook and fry the garlic cloves in very low heat. We're going to leave them here and let's continue with this amazing salsa macha de nueces. I have 2 cups of all the seeds. This is the pumpkin seeds, pepitas. 2 cups, 2 cups of sesame seeds. We're going to start adding here slowly. The sesame seeds are already toasted. These are the sunflower seeds that are not toasted. The mixed nuts, look at this. These are toasted already. But this chili oil really comes out so delicious and amazing. You need to try it. This is the Japanese chilies. They're not roasted. The chile de árbol roasted already, and I'm only using half a cup. I want this chili oil and nuts not to be spicy, to have a little kick, but not spicy at all. These are not roasted, so I'm going to roast them really good. So let's go. Let's see how the garlic is coming out. Look at this. Medium low heat. And now we're ready to roast the sunflower seeds. This is going to take time. Do not step away. Roast them really good. When they start changing color just like this, you're ready to remove. They could get burned very easily. The pepitas, the pumpkin seeds, we're going to roast them really good. Remember, this recipe calls for 2 cups of everything. Of course, I am making more because here at home, everybody loves this chili oil with nuts. So here I'm adding just 1 tablespoon of the extra virgin olive oil, and I am going to get the chilies nice and golden brown. This is the Japanese chilies. They're not spicy, but they're gonna give this chili oil such a delicious texture and flavor. Remember, you wanna make this salsa macha that it's not spicy at all, so you could really enjoy it in amazing tacos. Potato tacos, cheese tacos, quesadillas, you name it. I know that this takes time, but let me tell you, once you try it, you're going to continue enjoying it. Look at this, slowly, medium, low heat. Once they're starting to get nice and golden brown, we're going to remove them. The garlic is releasing all those amazing flavors and aroma. And of course, look at the color of the garlic cloves. This is exactly how you want them. Don't over brown them. This is the perfect browning. So turn it off and start removing all the garlic cloves. Leave the oil behind so it starts coming to room temperature. Of course, in a Ziploc, I am going to start adding all the mix of the nuts. Like I said, 2 cups, but I'm making extra for my family. And these nuts are already salted and roasted. So here, this is my exercise of the day. I am going to start smashing them. I want a little bit of texture, so I'm going to smash them just a little so you could still see what's in there. Look at this. This is how you want to smash them. Now that you have all your nuts ready to go, we're going to start by blending all the chilies. I have the Japanese chilies, half a cup of the chile de árbol. I'm going to add all the garlic, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, the garlic, and when I'm blending, I'm going to be adding the extra virgin olive oil a little bit at a time. You want to add it slowly so that everything incorporates. So here I'm going to start mixing and mixing until the texture is nice and smooth. Remember, we're not adding too much oil, only 2 cups of oil. So we're going to continue blending until there's a paste, a little runny than a regular paste, but it's going to be amazing. Now I am ready to put all my seeds in a big bowl. These are the sunflower seeds, the pepitas, nice and crispy. My home smells amazing and nice and nutty. And of course, the mixture of all the nuts. Look at this. This is huge. This is a lot. But let me tell you, this is not going to last. The roasted sesame seeds. And now I am ready to show you how I'm going to add the chili oil paste. We're going to add it. As you could see, it doesn't have too much oil, just enough to blend everything. And now this is the best part, incorporating everything into the nuts, getting everything nice and covered. Look how amazing this looks. Oh my God. I can't wait to enjoy. And if you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And let me tell you, this is not going to be spicy where you cannot enjoy all those amazing nuts. There's not too much oil on the bottom, and I'll show you when I transfer them to another bowl. Remember, when you're ready to save it, put it in a bowl, airtight, and then put it in the refrigerator. And it's going to last for many months. Here at home, it doesn't last too long, maybe a month, and then it's done. But let me tell you, we really enjoy them in tacos, potato tacos, even baked potatoes. Oh my gosh, this is just amazing. My mouth is watering. As you could see, there's not too much oil on the bowl. And all that little bit of oil that there's in the bowl, I am going to scrape out and add it into my nuts. Look at this. Very little oil. Everything is nice and covered with the spiciness. Of course, if you want it more spicy, add more chile de árbol, but I don't want it that spicy. I just want it to have a little kick. And look how amazing this looks. Like, subscribe, and share, and make it so you enjoy it with your beautiful family. I'll see you in just a little bit. Prepare this delicious, as I call it, salsa macha de nueces, chili oil of nuts. Let me tell you, I love it just like this, but you could enjoy it in delicious, crispy potato tacos, cheese tacos, quesadillas. And I'm going to try it just like that because it's not spicy at all. It has a kick and it's delicious. Delicious. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Bye-bye.